Hello peachies! Welcome back to Dear Peachy. It's going to be the end of the year, and we know what's coming up. It is Christmas, the holiday parties, family time, and the magical spirit in the air is a great excuse to go all out with the different makeup styles. We're still easing back into events, but whatever occasion is on your call is a great excuse to grab those makeup brushes and finally crack open that eyeshadow palette you've been dying to use. In this video, we've rounded up 2 different types of makeup style. The sweet and salty makeup look, featuring the gorgeous makeup guru, Xiang Cai. Without further ado, let's get started with the first look, the sweet rose tone makeup. Xiang Cai mentions that this look is inspired by this Korean style influencer here. First, Xiang Cai preps her skin with her usual serum to hydrate her skin. After her skincare has set in, she uses the Mistine foundation for her base makeup. She applied the foundation evenly on the center of her face by using the foundation brush. Then, she pats them out by using a cushion sponge. Xiang Cai says that the Ju Jingyi makeup style is really famous among the Chinese beauty fans. However, this fluffy, sweet makeup look is popular in the Korean beauty forums. So she is going to try this Korean-inspired look today. Next, conceal your eye bags with a lighter shade concealer. Just apply a thin coat and dab it out with your fingers. Set the base with loose powder. For eyes, she is using the warm tone nude shade at the far top left of the palette. Layer it evenly all over the upper lid as the base color. With a smaller brush, take the shimmery burgundy shade and blend it out at the outer V region of your upper eyelid. Change to a clean blending brush and blend the burgundy shade from the end to the front of your lid. This will give a subtle and natural-looking color transition on your lid. To widen the width of her eyes, Xiang Cai uses the BB Auto Gel Liner in shade 11. To highlight the under-eye fat, she glides the liner gently all over the center region of her egg yolk cell. Then, she goes over to the waterline and tightline it with the same gel liner. This trick here can help to further open up our eyes, as this white liner here mimics the color of our sclera. A champagne tone shimmery highlighter is added at the inner region of the egg yolk cell to make them pop. Next, she is taking a pink eyeshadow to add at the outer region of the egg yolk cell. Xiang Cai says this is to create that watery eyes look. Trace the egg yolk cell shadows with any contour products you have. If you have any glittery champagne tone eyeshadow, you can dab it a little and add at the middle of your egg yolk cell and upper lid. Xiang Cai is also using liquid glitter eyeshadow at the middle of her lower lash line. Then, he is applying the double lid sticker to widen her eyes. But this step is completely optional. Xiang Cai mentions that she realized most of the Korean makeup prefers the separated lash look, and they tend to wear the V-shaped falsies. So to recreate the look, she is going to put on her usual falsies. And she is applying a coat of mascara on them. Then, she is separating the lashes using tweezers. However, you need to be quick for this step. You need to clip the lashes together before the mascara dried up. Next, set the curl of the lashes by using a heated lash curler, or you can just heat up a toothpick to do so. For eyeliner, she is using the Japanese brand Kiss Me Heroin Liquid Liner. Tightline from the front inner lash line, then extend a straight liner from the end to widen her eyes. Xiang Cai fills in a faint line at the outer lower lid before the eyeliner dries up. Smudge it out by using a con tip. Korean girls usually go for straight brows. Contour your nose bridge, nose tip and bottom of your lower lip. For blush, she is using the same pink eyeshadow that she has used just now. Finally, brine the center region of your face with a matte highlighter. And add shimmery highlighter to your nose tip, cupid's bow and chin. Xiang Cai says Korean makeup love that glowy effect their base, so she is also adding some at her cheekbones and brow bone. Xiang Cai says she did not record the footage of her putting on lip products, but here is the lip product she used. It is the 3CE Lip Matte in the shade Early Hour, and a clear gloss from Into You. So basically this is how you achieve this look. It places more focus for the lower lid, and the lashes are a must for this look. It is monolid friendly, and it is suitable for those who have narrow brow to eye distance too. Moving forward, the second look. This look is named as the Yanxi makeup style. Yan here means salt, and Xi means series in Chinese. Hence, we are translating it literally as the salty makeup style. Yanxi makeup has made its way through the top searches in the Chinese beauty forum, as this style highlights the minimalist, airy and cool aura of a person. In this second makeup look, it is going to be a natural looking, earth tone and quick makeup look. Same as the previous look. She is prepping her skin with skincare and sunscreen. She is putting on her brown contacts from the brand called Meteos. Then, she is applying the lasting foundation from the Face Shop. It has smooth consistency, and it can be blended easily into the skin. It also gives a matte finish too. Conceal the dark circles if you have them. Set the base with loose powder. As the name suggests, salty makeup style is all about natural looking. So we are going to take a brown shade and layer it all over the upper lid to create that natural shadow to our eyes. To avoid it looking patchy, use a light nude shade or a matte highlighter to blend out the edges of the shadow. Next, going back to the same brown eyeshadow. Deepen the shadow at the end of your eyes here. Blend it in upward direction to create the winged eye look. Apply some at the outer region of your lower lash line too. For nose contour, Xiang Cai says she puts slightly more contour at the nose bridge and nose tip. Again, the matte highlighter is applied at the center of your face. Under the eyes, nose bridge and chin, highlight the egg yolk cell to widen your eyes. With a light pinkish shimmery eyeshadow, she is adding it at the middle of her egg yolk cell and upper lid. By using the egg yolk cell liner pen, trace a line underneath your eye fat with a light hand. Smudge to blur out the line to make it look less harsh. Xiang Cai is using a brow eyeshadow to deepen the shadow. Add more to deepen the shadow at the outer corner of your lower lid here. Lightly fill in the waterline with a white highlighter pen. She applies double lid stickers to adjust the width of her double lid. Tightline the entire upper lash line. She also fills in her inner corner to make it look sharper. For falsies, she is going to use the fishtail type individual lashes. Xiang Cai says that it is okay that the lashes are not placed uniformly from each other. The uneven distance from each of the lashes is able to give the natural looking appearance. Put on a coat of mascara to further lengthen them. Use a liquid liner and extend a fine winged liner. Draw a few strokes at your lower lash line for fake lower lashes. Fill in your brows. Contour your face at the jawline. Fill trim and bottom of your lips to make your lips look poutier. You can add a beauty mark on your cheek if you want. The low shine white highlighter is applied at the nose bridge and tip to bring the feature forward. Same goes for Cupid's bow and chin. For blush, she is using a muted pink blush from Lily by Red Blush Palette in shade 02. I think that this look will look good with a warm muted coral tone too. Blend it out in a horizontal manner. Xiang Cai is using a nude gloss from Fenty Beauty in the shade Fenty Glow. And that's it. This is how you recreate the look. This salty makeup style is best if you are someone who is not used to putting on makeup or doesn't apply makeup that often. This look is just enough to enhance your complexion and easy to match with any outfits or occasions. So what do you think? Will you pick look 1 or look 2? Tell us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.